Hello, my name is Jennifer Neher, and I've had the privilege of being a part of Peterson Manufacturing since 1992. I started in the marketing department as an illustrator. Back then, my office was in the engineering department. My very first task was creating assembly drawings and instructions for our antennas. I was working on a Mac 2, which managed to crash 25 times in one day, and the engineers had a great time counting every single one of those bomb noises. That experience was a great lesson I never forgot. It taught me the importance of backing up every document that I create. Obviously, we've upgraded our equipment significantly over the years. I've met many wonderful people through Peterson. I met my husband at the office Christmas party, and I've made countless friends through that way. 33 years later, my role has grown beyond illustration. I am involved in advertising, web content, packaging, private label programs, and creating customer literature for our divisions and customers. I also work closely with our sales team to make sure that they have the print materials that they need to support the products and clients. It's been an incredible journey, and I'm grateful to still be a part of this amazing team after all these years. Thanks.